Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use NetBeans IDE to compile and run a Java program. In my previous video we learned how to run and compile a Java program using command prompt. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is very useful to develop a Java program or any other to write program or in any other language, because in that means we do not need to write command for to compile a program or to write command to run a program. In that means writing code is very easy. Okay, so there are some what we have to follow. We have to first download the GTK. If you have not downloaded the GTK, we must need to download the GTK, because to run a Java program, GTK must be installed in your laptop or PC. Then we have to download the NetBeans. Then we will open the NetBeans, create a new project and write program and compile and run it. So the first thing we have to do is we need to download the NetBeans. So go to the Google and write download NetBeans with JDK or simple. Now you will see the first link of Oracle. Go to the link and let it get opened. Okay, you can see inside the downloads, accept the license, and you can see here Java SE and NetBeans bundled. So this is the bundle in which JDK and NetBeans both are present. So just if you are using Windows, then download the Windows version. If you are using Linux or Mac, download the respectable version. Now click on this, it will start downloading. Okay, it's downloaded, and when the download is complete, you need to install it. After installing, we will open the NetBeans. In my system, NetBeans is already installed, so I will open the NetBeans. From here you can see the NetBeans IDE here. Open it. Now it will take few minutes. So for the first time, it can take even 2 to 3 minutes or even 5 minutes depending on your PC speed. But after first time, it will open very quickly. Now you can see this is the NetBeans IDE. This is called Integrated Development Environment. It gives us an environment to develop or to write code in Java or any other language. But in this video we will talk about only about writing a Java program. Okay, so we have to go to the file and create new project. You can say this new project. You can write first project. You just give the name first project, new project. You can say Java. Click on the Java application. Okay, let's see this step again. I'm cancelling it. Go to the file, new project. You have to select. You can see Java, JavaFX, Maven, NetBeans modules, but we have to select the Java. You have to select Java and then come to the Java application. These two have to select Java and Java application. Then click on the next. You can see it is asking for the project name. Now I will give my first project name. Okay, and then click on the finish. It also offers you to create a main class. If you want to create the main class here, you can just check this box. Otherwise, do not check this box. I am checking it the box, and I am clicking on the finish button. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see your first project has been created, and the package name, my first project, class name is this, public static void main. Okay, now I will write some code inside. Now you can see the IDE has auto generated some of the code. Like it has already written the package, it has already created the class, my first project, and it has already written the main method for you. So this is the use of IDE. It helps us to write a program very easy, and there is an auto completion feature. What is this feature? I will tell you now. Just write, suppose we have to write the system.out.print to print something. I'm writing system and just press the control space button. Let me show you again. I just written system and it is already showing some of the options. Now I will write system dot. Now I will show you what are the options available here. Now just you can see when you just press the dot and just pressing the dot, you can see the list of the available methods or available options. Now I have to write print. You can see the print. Just write it. Now you have to read, this is my first project in NetBeans. Okay, this is the code. Now how to run it in IDE? You don't need to compile it and run it separately. As we saw in Java, in command prompt, we need to write command Java C to compile a program. Then we need to write a command Java to run the program. But in this IDE, in NetBeans IDE, we don't need to write any such command. We have to just click here on this button. This is the run button. As you can see, this is here. This is the run button. We have to just click on this run button. Okay, you can see here is the output. In this window we will see the output here. This is the window. You can see the output here. This is my first project. Okay, we are increasing the font size here. Now you can see the build is successful and output is, this is my first project in NetBeans. So you can see how much it is easy to write Java code, compile it, run it. You don't need to compile it separately. So there are many options to run this program. One is this, you can see this, and another option is this here. Here you can just come here in the Explorer section. This area is called Project Explorer. It will show you the list of the projects that you have made or that you have created previously. As previously I created another application, Java application 1, and I have some packages here, so it is showing that. But now we have created my first project, so it is showing here. It is also showing the library. As you know that JDK library or JDK is must be installed to run a Java program. JDK is required to run a Java program, so it has already included the JDK library. This is your class. I mean the Java class, and it has been already saved by .java extension. You can see .java here. Okay, so run this program. You have to right click here and click on the run file. Now you can see again the same output here. Now this is one of the features. It is very the first feature is it is very easy to write, compile and run the program. Now how much it is easy when there is some error in the code. Now we are making some error here. Okay, this. So you can see as soon as we made some error, it is there comes a red line below this particular line, below this particular code, and you can see the red dot here. Means there is some error. There is some error. That is why it. But if you have, if you were using command prompt, then when we will compile by writing Java C command, then it will show what is the error. But in NetBeans IDE, it will automatically show you that there is some error. And what is that error? Just hover your mouse, put your mouse over this. Now you can see that a semicolon is expected. You can see a semicolon, and you will hover the mouse. You can again see a semicolon is expected here. So when you put a semicolon, you will see that there is no error. Now there is no red line. If we make some error like this, you can see again that there is a red line below this statement. Means there is some error in this particular line. Now if I will try to run this program, this is not correct, we know, but if you try to run it, let's see what happens. Now you can see one or more projects were compiled with errors. Means there are some problem. Run anyway. It has not been run. Actually there was error. It is an output of your previous code. Okay, so this is the way this is the reason why we use IDE for development of Java. Now we will change the code. We are deleting it and we will change the code to write some program, like I'm writing int integer I equals to 1, integer j equals to 2, and then integer k equals to I plus j. Now we write system, just press the controller and space, it will show you the available options here. I will show you again. There is nothing, escape button. I written SYS and there is nothing coming. Now I am pressing control space. Control, I have pressed control, hold it and press space. You can see the available option. We have to go to the system dot, it will show you the available options, out dot print. Now we have to print K. Just now run it. Run file. You can see 3 is the output here. So this is the way how we use NetBeans IDE for development. Now I will tell you about some features of this IDE in this video. First is the file. Here you can open a new project, you can create a new project, you can open any previous project that you made. Then you can also there are these are options like finding, control F to find anything, to paste anything, to find in projects, to replace. These are the features of simply writing the good code. Then we have some options here, organize imports, and these are things. Then there are some tools, you can see create update test. There are many tools for even we can write some other languages program like C++ in NetBeans as well, but for that we need a C++ compiler to write C or C++ program in NetBeans. So this is the way how we can use NetBeans IDE to write or develop a program. I hope you liked the video, so please click the like button, comment and subscribe this channel. In the next video I will show how to use Eclipse IDE for Java, for writing a good Java program. Thank you guys.